All right, good day everyone. How are you doing today? I hope that you are doing well. Just a quick and simple video here today. A friend of mine sent me a suggestion to replace bread. And the suggestion was to peel and boil a sweet potato. Once that is done, you crush the sweet potato and you add an egg. Break the egg, add it, mix it up together, and you add some honey. Now, I'm gonna try to add the video that was sent to me. I'll try to do that, but whether or not I get it in, I used a smaller potato, something like this size, and I put 1 egg. I also put about a tablespoon of honey in my mixture. All right, mix that up. I put a little bit of vegetable oil in a pan. I put it on low heat and I followed the instruction. I allowed it to cook for about 5 minutes on one side, emptied it out on a plate, put it back on the other side for another 5 minutes, and then I tried it. So the next clip is going to be me trying this bread replacement. You can try it too and let me know what you thought of it. All right, blessings to you and see you again very soon. Next clip. Okay, let's try. A little honey. So I'm gonna try a piece without the honey. Okay. Might definitely need the honey, yeah. It's okay. It's okay. You know, it's not bad. It's not a taste I'm used to. I mean, I've had sweet potatoes before, but not like this, so it's alright. If you make up your mind to eat a more healthy or a healthier option, well, it's more mind over matter. It doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste bad. It's just different. It's just different. It's just unusual, you know, to have it like this, but it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. All right. This is my sharing. Have a great day. Bye-bye.